Welcome to Lakeridge Winery and Vineyards. Located in Central Florida and nestled on the rolling hills of Clermont, which is only about 30 minutes from Orlando. The winery is a Spanish-style mission building surrounded by 127 acres of working vineyards. They offer complimentary guided tours and wine tasting 7 days a week. You can visit their website for more information. Through the wine tasting tour, you are invited to sample some of their best tasting wines by knowledgeable winemakers, who gives you a descriptive history and what pairs best with your samples. At the end of the tour, you are invited to browse their wine shop, which features all of their selections. On the weekends, you are invited to bring your lawn chairs and sit under the shady oak trees surrounded by the vineyard as you listen to some live entertainment. Food and adult beverages are on sale and are moderately priced. This was a day trip away from the hustle and bustle and was well worth it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content.